we regularly straight turn down requests to try out products that we think we wouldn't use and most of you wouldn't want to see. From robot vacuum cleaners to pet grooming products, health foods to sun hats. But every so often we're offered something that makes us think, would that be useful? Often we try them out and go, actually no, it's not. So you never get to see them. But this one surprised us. So keep watching to see what it is. Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, it really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button, and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I know what you didn't like. Banggood very kindly offered to send us this portable rechargeable power washer, and we were, oh okay, let's try it out. Well, we've been really surprised at how well it works and how much we've used it. So let's take a closer look at it. In the sturdy carry box, as well as the instructions, we have mini hose and adapter, shampooing bottle, a water filter for if the source of water might not be free of larger particles like a rainwater butt, the washer gun itself, the multi-setting spray nozzle ranging from a straight jet, 15, 25 and 40 degree fans, a shower spray and a rapid pulsing spray. A water bottle adapter, and we'll show more of that later, a mains charger, and depending on the set you go for, 1 or 2 battery packs. Its current standard price is just over £50, or our discounted price of just over £40, including one 7500 mAh battery, which will run its powerful 500 watt brushless motor for around 15 minutes. It's also available with 15,000 mAh batteries, which will last around 30 minutes. Its adjustable nozzle and foam bottle make it ideal for cleaning cars, vans, bikes, pets, household cleaning or even watering plants. And using the supplied water filter on the end of the hose, you can even use other water sources such as a water butt without risking particles damaging the unit. Most of you have probably spotted before we're not ones for keeping our vans spotless, but this is probably what most people will use it for. With the mini hose in a source of water, the shampoo spray works well and the pressure washer loosens and washes off the dirt well. I know car and van lovers will cringe at this, but we're using the same eco-friendly washing up liquid we use for washing pots for the shampoo as we're on grass. What we use it for most is giving our bikes a clean before storing them away. We need to be careful not to get water into the more sensitive parts, so the wider fan setting are what we tend to use, but it still does a great job of shifting mud and dirt. We even use it on the shower spray setting to wash ourselves down. Here you can see the bottle adapter is great where you just need a quick wash down, and it's great for muddy paws. And an unexpected use after a cream of tomato soup disaster shows how good it is at pressure washing out stains from campervan carpets even after they've dried overnight. When it comes to how long the batteries actually last, we found that a single 15,000 mAh battery was more than enough for a complete wash of our high-top, extra long wheelbase van, with shampoo sprayed and then fresh water rinse. So overall, what do we think? Is it a van life essential? Well, no, you can manage without one. Do we use it lots? Yep, we do. Would we miss it if we didn't have it? Absolutely. Would we recommend it? If you have any of the use cases we do, then yes, we think it's a great choice and something you may wonder how you managed without. And with the current discount, it's a great chance to grab one. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.